Hi to all my viewers. I'm Nadia, and along with my teammates Tanya and Divya, we are working on a project called Paneer Contamination Detection using hyperspectral imaging and deep learning. So, food contamination is a major issue in the dairy industry, especially in perishable products like paneer. And traditional contamination detection relies on manual inspection or chemical testing, which is slow and very destructive. So, our project, we are using paneer and we are capturing images using hyperspectral camera, and I'll show some demos of how the paneer looks. This is the fresh paneer. This is the day 1 paneer, and this is the day 6 of natural paneer. As you can see, in day 6 there is some spoilage on top of the paneer. So with this we are converting these images into hyperspectral images, and this is the code which I'm using. So after running this code, I am getting this as the hyperspectral images. So this is the fresh paneer. On fresh paneer, the surface is pure red color, but as the contamination is more, in on day 6 you can see the spoilage. So as spoilage increases, there is light red on top of that. Same while for malai paneer, we have taken pictures on day 7 and day 8, and so the malai paneer also has very much good spoilage on top of the surface. So the color of the paneer on top of the surface is light red in color. And but tofu was spoiled a lot on day 7 and day 8, and that's why as the spoilage day of tofu was the same as the malai paneer, but tofu got spoiled very fast. As the spoilage was much more on day 7 and day 8, the spoilage, the color of the surface of the tofu is very light. So this is the comparison. So the fresh paneer looks as red on the surface, and as the spoilage increases, the color of the surface of the paneer eventually gets lighter, and this is how the paneer looks when it's very much destructive. So I'll also show a example of tofu, how bad tofu was spoiled. So just a minute. This is tofu, and so this was tofu on day 8. So day 8 tofu, it is spoiled very bad, and that's why in the hyperspectral image the spoilage looks like this. So we are using this code to convert a normal image into a hyperspectral image. So we are using this formula for conversion, and this is, so I'll just give a sample run of the program. This is how the program works, and as you can see, it's processing. Each the program goes to each and every folder um, in the malai paneer, takes all the hyperspectral image folders, and it processes into a pure hyperspectral image as it's shown. So everything is being saved in a separate folder called here, this is for tofu. So everything is being saved in a separate folder like this. So this is how the spoilage looks for the paneer. So this will take a bit more time because there are 30 pics in tofu as well as malai paneer, and yeah, so this is what our project is about. So we have around 150 pics, and yes, thank you.